Instacart came out with an update stating that they were supporting the health and well-being of the shopper community in many more ways now. This will give access to doctors, health savings accounts, discounts on therapy, and many other discounts. Hi guys, my name's Justin. If this is your first time here, I am a full-time Instacarter. Sometimes I'll do a little bit of DoorDash and Uber Eats and occasionally Shipt. If this is your first time here, I teach you how to find the highest paying orders and how to complete them in a faster amount of time so that way you can make more money per hour. So let's get right into the topics of today, and then I'll send you over to future Justin so that way he can go through everything. First, we're going to discuss therapy and psychiatry starting at just $4. Then we'll discuss available 24/7 urgent care or a doctor on demand. Third, we'll talk about a free health savings account. And finally, we'll talk about PerkSpot, which is a new Instacart-powered discount hub, which has all sorts of discounts on electronics, travel, hotels, all sorts of things, depending on what you would like. So I'm going to send you over now to future Justin, and he'll go through each of those 4 topics with you guys. See you soon. So first, let's get into therapy and psychiatry starting at just $4. So this is the new thing that Instacart has just partnered with Doctor on Demand. This gives you the ability to connect with a physician, a therapist, or psychiatrist any time of the day. There's no longer the need to go to a doctor's office. You can do everything right from your computer or your phone. So as you can see, all that you need to do is just sign up with Doctors on Demand with your Instacart email address, the same one that you used in your shopper app. You go to your app, you click the bottom right icon, and then you go to your profile. That email address that is shown in your phone, in your shopper app, that one you should use to Doctor on Demand so that way you can get access to it. And Instacart helps cover part of the cost of the visit so that way you do get these advertised prices. So first, let's go into the mental health. You have the ability to schedule an appointment or you can take an assessment. The assessment is pretty much just a 7-question questionnaire which assesses your general state of well-being for anxiety and depression at this time. From there, you will schedule an appointment and you can choose if you would like to have therapy, which is done by a therapist. It's not somebody that can prescribe controlled substances. They're just talk therapy pretty much. So you would pay $4 for 25 minutes of therapy, or if you want to have a 50-minute session, it'll be $64. Psychiatry, on the other hand, that's medication-based therapy. Usually this goes hand in hand with talk therapy as they work really well together. The psychiatry, the initial visit is 45 minutes where you'll discuss everything with your psychiatrist, and you can choose the best treatments or route that you would like to take so that way you can achieve the goals that you would like in your life. That initial visit again is $174 and it's 45 minutes, but the follow-up, I'm not sure if this is every follow-up, but the follow-up visits will be 15 minutes long and those are only $4. I mean, it's not that bad. $4 for 25 minutes, and you could schedule, if you need to, every week schedule a 25-minute meeting and just go with a couple of things that you need to talk about or whatever you need. You could definitely get that done in 25 minutes. I've had therapy sessions where 50 minutes is way too long and I have nothing to talk about and it's not that fun. When you're going to choose a provider for the therapy, there is a quick questionnaire that you can answer if you choose to. This questionnaire will help you find a therapist that specializes in the type of treatment that you are looking for. There's all different types of therapy depending on what you're looking for, how much work you're willing to put into it. They're all different. So it just really depends on you. If you do choose psychiatry, there's not a questionnaire to find a psychiatrist, but I would recommend in any case to go through the profiles of all of these psychiatrists and the therapists and read about them, see what they specialize in, and find somebody that you think you would be comfortable talking to. And if you're not comfortable with them, you can always switch to a different therapist or psychiatrist. The most important thing is being comfortable and being able to be honest and open with therapy for it to be more effective. So now let's get into the 24/7 virtually available urgent care or Doctor on Demand. This is the coolest part of Doctor on Demand. And this is that a doctor can be scheduled any time of the day or any time of the night. There's appointments, some days it's every 15 minutes and some days it's every 30 minutes, and it starts at midnight and it goes until midnight the subsequent day. So that's like 62 or 66 different available time slots each day. The diagnosis and treatment can be done right over that video call. There's no need to actually go in person and have them physically examine you in some cases. The doctor will just see you at your selected time that you chose for your appointment, and then the doctor will ask you about your symptoms. They might ask you to like show like if you have a rash or something. That way they can prescribe the medication needed to fix your illness. The doctor can send a prescription right to your preferred pharmacy, so that way you don't need to go very far to get your medications either. The medical copay for a doctor visit is $65. And if the visit is due to COVID-19, then Instacart will completely waive that fee and they'll pay it themselves. If you go and you click to get a provider now, that means that you're looking for a provider right now. You will be given a list of providers that can see you and their next available times. There's also the option where you can schedule an appointment. If this is just like general or something that's not really super timely or time sensitive, then you can schedule an appointment a week from the day that you're looking at it. You will have a list of available days and times, and you can either select from a list of times or you can select based off of a certain healthcare provider that you would like to see, and you can see their available times. That's really about it. It's pretty simple and intuitive to use. I would definitely recommend going in and signing up for an account, just checking it out, maybe take the mental health assessment, see like where your anxiety and depression's at. I mean, there's room for all of us. Over the past year, I think it's taken a lot out of a lot of us. So now let's get into the free health savings account. The first 5,000 people that sign up will get a $10 bonus. So Instacart is partnered with Starship, which it's a health saving account company that allows you to freely invest in a health savings account and grow your health savings account at a annual percentage rate. A health savings account pretty much is a account that where you have money that you deposit each year up to a certain yearly limit that the IRS puts each year and changes each year. So any money that you put into this account that's underneath the limit will be tax-free. The money is only tax-free if it is used for health care related costs. Otherwise, if you take the money out and use it for anything else, it will be taxed at your regular income. Health savings accounts usually are used to cover healthcare related costs such as deductibles or the amount that you have to pay before your insurance kicks in. It says that usually these are used when you have a high deductible health insurance plan, meaning that you would have to pay a large amount of money before your insurance kicks in, such as like $2,000 or $5,000. So if you get like a $20,000 medical bill and you have a $2,000 deductible, that means that you would have to pay the first $2,000 of that $20,000, and then the last $18,000 would be covered by your health insurance provider. So this health savings account, you could use $2,000 from the health savings account and you would be paying with tax-free income rather than paying out of pocket at your like 20 or 30% already taxed, and Social Security was taken out and all these other things were taken out. This is totally not legal or investing advice. Definitely look into it yourself. See if it's right for you. It's not actually right for me. This health savings account really won't do anything for me. Starship says that the health savings account is FDIC insured. This health savings account is only available to taxpayers in the United States over 18 years of age. You must also be enrolled in a high deductible health insurance plan to make contributions to this health savings account. So I'll leave a link in the description or in a comment down below. Have somebody else explain these health savings accounts and what a high deductible health insurance plan is. Finally, let's get into the new Instacart powered PerkSpot discounts. So this thing is actually really cool. Once again, you just sign up with your Instacart shopper email address, the same one that you use in the shopper app. And as you can see, you have all of these like new perks and local discounts. There's grocery, brand discounts, and travel discounts. So when you first sign up, there's all these categories that are there and you're able to choose what categories suit you. So here are just a couple of the categories that I chose. And because of that, when I go to the home, it shows me perks that relate to those things that I chose. The local discounts didn't show anything for me. Let me know if it works in the location that you're at, but that would be really interesting if Instacart could get you certain perks, so you could get like 25% off a local restaurant or a bar or something. There's grocery coupons, which are like manufacturer coupons that Instacart has compiled all of these coupons together, so you can just go there and you can click on the coupons that you would like and probably print them off. Then you could save on your groceries. There's also an A to Z list of every single website and brand that there are available discounts or perks for. And then finally, there's a categories tab where you can see every single type of category that exists for any of the perks and discounts. You can go through and find pretty much anything that you would like and purchase it from there, or get a coupon code to be applied at checkout, and you'll save just for being an Instacart shopper and using this PerkSpot discount hub. So that's about it for this video. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you guys so much. If you guys watched the last video, that one really blew up. I had like 1,000 views in 7 days, and like, I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos, so I really appreciate all of you guys watching these videos all the way through. Are you guys planning on taking advantage of any of these services? Or let me know down in the comments below. Stay safe, you guys, and I hope that you guys see batches upon batches.